Experiencing no sound from your ASUS monitor speakers when connected via DisplayPort to your Windows PC? You're not alone. This is a common issue among ASUS monitor users, particularly with models connected via DisplayPort. Why does this happen? Common causes include driver conflicts, Windows settings issues, or hardware limitations. DisplayPort should transmit both video and audio signals over a single cable, but problems often prevent the audio from reaching the speakers. DisplayPort is a digital interface that transmits both video and audio signals over a single cable. For audio to work, your graphics card drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel must detect the ASUS monitor as a valid audio output device. In Windows sound settings, the ASUS monitor should appear as DisplayPort Audio or DP Audio in the playback devices list. Audio support requires DisplayPort version 1.2 or higher, which provides the necessary bandwidth for audio transmission. Compatibility depends on the monitor's EDID, or Extended Display Identification data, properly communicating audio capabilities to your PC. Start with the basics by updating your Windows and graphics drivers to ensure compatibility. Unplug the DisplayPort cable from both the monitor and computer, then reconnect it firmly. Test with a different DisplayPort cable, or use another port on your computer or monitor. Go to Windows Settings, then Sound, and ensure your ASUS monitor is selected as the default audio output device. In the sound properties, disable audio enhancements, apply the change, then re-enable them to resolve any conflicts. To configure Windows audio settings, first open Windows Settings by pressing Windows key I or searching for it in the Start menu. In Windows Settings, click on the Sound option to access audio configuration. In the Sound settings, under the Output section, select your ASUS monitor from the list of available devices. It should appear as DisplayPort Audio or similar. If you have multiple audio devices listed, make sure the ASUS monitor is set as the primary or default output device to ensure audio plays through the monitor speakers. After selecting the device, click Apply to save the changes. If audio still doesn't work, try restarting your PC to ensure the settings take effect. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common cause of ASUS monitor speakers not working over DisplayPort. These drivers handle the audio transmission, so issues here can silence the speakers. For advanced troubleshooting of ASUS monitor speaker issues over DisplayPort, start by checking for firmware updates for your monitor. Visit the ASUS support website and search for your specific monitor model. Download and install any available firmware updates, as these can fix compatibility issues with DisplayPort audio. A BIOS update for your computer's motherboard can also resolve DisplayPort audio compatibility issues. Check your motherboard manufacturer's website for the latest BIOS version and follow their update instructions carefully. If the audio issue began after a recent Windows update, try rolling back to a previous version. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, Update History, uninstall updates to remove the problematic update. If DisplayPort audio continues to fail, consider switching to an HDMI connection. HDMI often provides better default audio support in Windows because it natively handles audio transmission alongside video. If your monitor and PC support USB-C with DisplayPort alternate mode, try using a USB-C cable. This versatile connection handles both audio and video signals through a single cable, often bypassing the specific issues associated with pure DisplayPort. The trend is moving towards USB-C for audio-video integration. Newer monitors often prioritize USB-C for audio, which reduces reliance on DP audio. Keep your system updated and consider using USB-C if possible. If problems persist, contact ASUS support or consult a professional technician.